was a chameleon when it was predominantly shrapnel from the chapel of the Catman. Johnny kissed the groom and go join the killing while Britain is watching her Watson. Headed down to Tiananmen, but I'd tarry enough time. Should've listened to the world turn. Told me that cheaters are watching, scratch ticket Jesus, insulting the Sultan. But we got an offer, a lesson learned. Like kissing cousins, kissing out of turn. But if you're gonna play, you got to play the party lines. Oh, we gon' take back this town if it takes us all. Hey kid, you look like you could be found. But for the moment, we are the fall line. Our mind, that our time is still marked by the brains. Our intolerance is our lives. A hard fight. Do we done, do we done, do we done, do we done, eh? United States of discrimination. The schools feed into the prisons. The corporations more powerful than the government. Give a teacher a banker's salary. See how that goes. See if a farmer land again like Kilimanjaro it snows. You sleep in your Egyptian linen 500 Kelvin. It's the count of the dead. We are the eye, the needle, fixing the men. Let's growth the lies. Our lives ripped up on a bed. We're coming in quick and we get Angela Davis and our lips and Mandela in our head. We got an offer, a lesson learned. Like kissing cousins, kissing out of turn. But if you're gonna play, you got to play the party lines. Oh, we gon' take back this town if it takes us all. Hey kid, you look like you could be found. But for the moment, we are the fall line. Our mind, that our time is still marked by the brains. Our intolerance is our lives. A hard fight. Do we done, do we done, do we done, do we done, hey. I lost my religion along with my innocence is our lives, our time. Do we done, 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 done. Well, at least she got her body. He's a boy named Sue. The Federalist sure ain't no expert on love. Why would we listen to you? Oh, at least we got our bodies. We all are born named Sue. And we'll fight till it's done, till our borders are run, till it's gardens not guns, and life is unknown.
It was a fight night and the prize fighter got cut like in a knife fight. It was all over the highlights, we got hit by a hard right. Saw the stars like light bright, couldn't see any sight line. Started to skydive from the high life like Pele playing highlight. Shot Mayday to his heyday in the pell mell of the Mayday. His corner was getting a payday, needed Thompson from my line. Turned his guns on his own guys, but it wasn't Molotovs and Mai Tais, just AKs and white lies. 10 Mount Sinai to believe in I and you were not for I and the cap on you too. Then again, I ain't debating and standing in your shoes. I'm just trying to figure out which rule I should choose. We're getting high side of my tie guys, white collar crime pays, just living the violence. You leave anything, believe it, occupy, cause it's a rich man's world. We're getting off the sidelines.
Our mind, that our time is still marked by the brains of intolerance is our